y'all. Bring you on today's project. We're doing a construction clean. So this is the front of the house. We're really only just doing the front of the house. It's a garage. And we just got here. So we have to do this. We have to wax these floor tights. This is just the closet, but we have to wax that. A lot of dust everywhere. So this is just a, and we gotta wax this floor.
How hard do I need to try to get these ones?
So you don't see it no more?
Do you have anything like I can scrub this?
No, you shouldn't be scrubbing anything on that black surface.
Kind of like.
I got stuff in there for stuff like this.
Okay.
Yeah, go look in that caddy.
Little paint splotches are like easy.
Yeah, you just need to get that scrubby. It's in the caddy where the bathroom stuff is at. Alright, so got one more bathroom over here. We gotta wax. We don't have to do anything out here. So this here, bathroom here, we gotta wax. And then we're done. Oh no, we're not done. We gotta do all these windows. I'm waiting on my window guy to do all these windows, inside and out. So we gotta do all these windows. These windows are in really bad condition. Look. Frames are terrible. And they're like that even in the inside. Let me show you the inside. And this is critical when you do a construction clean, that you get all this stuff. Look at that. So, the clean is easy. It's the windows that's going to be the task. Alright, y'all. So, I'm training some new contractors on how to do construction cleaning. Alright, so I'll show y'all the end result. See you later. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I'm going to interview a couple contractors and see what they learned today. Let's see what they learned today. Tell them who you...
Dust, a lot of debris cleaning, a lot of back and forth for the same thing, but I like it.
Okay, you remember that?
I ain't ready. Hello. This is Jamila here on behalf of KSC Commercial Cleaning Services. And just to let you guys know what I learned today working here with KSC Cleaning. I learned today that when making your water for cleaning, you don't use hot water. Simple, but didn't know that. Another thing, when you're doing construction cleaning, I've learned that you may have to wipe down way more than one time, okay? This is construction cleaning. So that means that you may go over it the one time, all right? And that's just to get like the first set of dirt off. You may have to go over it again a second and third time to make sure that the surfaces are clean, all right? Another thing I learned was when doing your cleaning and wiping down and there was a paint job, you also want to make sure that you are scraping up specks of paint when you're doing your construction cleaning. So those are 3 things today that I know for sure that I've learned working here under Miss Karen Denton, KSC Commercial Cleaning.